Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two amazing cameras, the Sony Alpha a6400 and the Canon EOS R7. We will evaluate these cameras based on different categories to help you decide which one is the best fit for your photography needs. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Let's get started. Both the Sony Alpha a6400 and the Canon EOS R7 offer exceptional image quality. The Sony Alpha a6400 features a 20.1 MP stacked back illuminated 1x RS CMOS sensor, providing fantastic low-light performance and sharpness. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7 boasts a 32.5 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, ensuring crisp and detailed photos. Whether you're shooting landscapes or portraits, both cameras excel in delivering stunning image quality. When it comes to performance, both cameras offer impressive features. The Sony Alpha a6400 has a wide 425-phase 425 contrast detection points over 84% of the sensor, providing enhanced subject capture. Additionally, it offers up to 11 FPS continuous shooting at 24.2 MP, ensuring you capture every moment with clarity. The Canon EOS R7, on the other hand, boasts high-speed continuous shooting of up to 15 FPS with its mechanical shutter speeds. No matter if you're capturing fast-paced sports or wildlife, both cameras will keep up with your needs. When it comes to versatility, the Sony Alpha a6400 shines in multiple movie functions. You can create time-lapse movies or slow quick-motion videos without post-processing, making it perfect for content creators. Additionally, its tiltable LCD screen is highly customizable, catering to vlogging, still photography, or professional filming. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7 offers full-range lens capability, supporting various lens mounts, including EFS, EF, RF, and RFS. This allows you to choose from a wide range of lenses for different shooting scenarios. Battery life is an essential factor to consider. The Sony Alpha a6400 comes with a rechargeable battery, NP-FW50, that offers decent usage time. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7 operates using a Canon LPE6NH battery pack, which is compatible with LPE6N and LPE6 battery packs. Additionally, the EOS R7 offers the convenience of charging the battery while it's still inside the camera, thanks to the USB power adapter PDE. Both cameras ensure you stay powered up during your photography adventures. In conclusion, both the Sony Alpha a6400 and the Canon EOS R7 are outstanding cameras, each with their strengths. The Sony Alpha a6400 excels in its image quality and versatile movie functions, making it perfect for content creators. On the other hand, the Canon EOS R7 offers excellent performance, full-range lens capability, and a longer battery life. It's important to consider your specific photography needs and preferences when choosing between these two cameras. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching.